How to return Savana products. If you bought something from Savana and need to return it, here's exactly how to do it right. Clear, simple, and fast. Step 1. Make sure you're returning within 7 days of delivery and only if the item is unused, unwashed, undamaged, and still has tags and original packaging. Step 2. On the Indonesian site, Savana requires you to message their WhatsApp support at 085759287546. For the international store, email support at trysavana.com. Explain that you want to return and include your order number and reason. Step 3. When the item arrives, video your unboxing showing that it's unused and tagged. This serves as proof. Without it, your return may get rejected. Step 4. Once they approve your return, Savana will arrange a pickup. According to users, this usually happens within 1 to 3 days after approval. Step 5. Send back the product in its original packaging. You cover shipping unless it's a defect-related return. For size or defective items, returns are accepted and shipping is credited.